Hello, arrange section here. This is a Kung Fu Wushu both staff training session. In this training session, we are going to learn how to smash down our staff properly. Okay, we call 摔棍. So the first move we are going to learn is in slow motion, taking with our staff, turn around and smash down. Okay, smash with our staff. Alright, before we start training, just a friendly reminder, please follow the orders of our training sessions. Otherwise, you might get confused. Let's start our training. We are going to separate this move. First, we're going to start with smash down with our staff. Now, okay, let's do it together in slow motion. Learn how to smash down our staff properly. Use your right hand to hold the bottom of your staff. Left hand, hold your staff as well above your head. Above your head, okay? You're going to smash down, straight down. Straight down, alright? So, face to this direction. Left leg, step on. Slow motion. Smash down. Use your left hand to pressing down with your staff. Up. So this is crouching stance. Pull. See? Now let's see details. Your right hand, don't put it on the ground too close. You can lift up with your right hand a bit higher. Why? This gives you energy. If you lift up with your right hand, your left hand pressing down, see? There's energy. Don't lift your right hand too high. Okay, not like this. Okay? This is smash down with our staff all the way down. Okay? If you smash down with your staff all the way down in Kung Fu Wushu, your left hand is pressing down like this. You don't hold like this. Not like this. Pressing down. Okay? See the details? If you're going to choke down with your staff, you can use your left hand to hold your staff like this. Okay? Now let's try one more time. Up in slow motion. Left leg step on. Smash down. Okay, face to the direction and see. In slow motion. Left leg step on. Crouching down. And smash down with your staff. Okay, make sure your staff is straight. Don't do like this. To stand away. Or not to this way either. Otherwise you're going to smash on your foot. It's going to be very painful, okay? Smash straight. Okay? One more time to this direction. In slow motion first. Again. Okay, now let's add a bit power. Breathe in. Out. Again. Smash down. Okay, now we already get used to smash down with our staff. Next move, let's add picking with our staff. We call Liao Gui. We already learned this move in the previous training sessions. You can find out on our YouTube channel. Okay, now let's make your staff face to this direction. We are going to do in slow motion first. Now we are going to do 5 times with picking our staff. Start from your right hand side. You count as 1, 2, 3, 4, add 5. Left leg start from here. Swap your legs. The move we have done before. Smash down, straight grip. Okay, let's do one more time. So we do slow motion. We do in slow motion 4 times, and then we try with the other side. In the end, we can add the power. All right. So start from the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn. Grab your start. Smash. Down. The third time in slow motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lucky last in this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure your stop is close to your body. Straight. Okay. Now I'm going to try to face to that direction so you can see the details from different angles. Okay. Start from your right hand side. 1. Coming back so you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn. Swap. Swap means, see, wave your cut. Okay. Slow motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn. Hold the bottom of your staff. Smash down. Straight grip. Second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn. Straight grip. This move called Liao Gui, which is this move, like picking your staff. 转身, which is turn. 摔棍, smash down. 撩棍, 转身, 摔棍 in Mandarin. Okay? Now let's try the third time. Start from the right hand side. 1. Start from the right hand side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lucky last. After this time, we can try with the power. So you can see what's looking like when you coordinate with your staff and add the power. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, relax or rest, and we are going to give a try with power. Okay, I can speed up as well. Start from the right direction. One, two, three, four, five. Again. Okay, and this direction. Okay, Let's give a release with the wrist. And next move we are going to learn similar to this move. Just in the beginning, we are going to add a point with the staff, which is called Dian Gui. And smash down. Okay? Have a rest first. Do some deeply breathe in, breathe out. Okay, let's start our next move training. Alright, next move we are going to separate the moves. First, over your legs. This is higher hold stance. You cannot crouch too low, okay? Higher hold stance. Left hand hold your staff as well. So this is called Dian Gui. Called point your staff. Dian Gui. So how can you Dian Gui properly in Kung Fu Wushu? Let's see. When you point your staff, don't move your arms like this. See? This is not good. Make sure your hands in front of your chest level. In front of your chest level, see? Be centered. And when you point your staff, don't point too far. Make sure to point, if you can, in front of your foot. Okay, in front of your foot. And this side the same, in front of your foot. About this area. See? You can point a bit further, a little bit further, that's okay, but not too much, not like this, see? Don't move your arms. Don't move your arms like this, left and right too much, will be fine. Keep in the center like this. See? Slow, in slow motion. And then if you want to add power, turn a bit, see? A bit. See? Pa, 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 pa. That's called Dian Gui. So in this training session, I'm not going to focus on Dian Gui too much. So, normally back then, when I was training this Dian Gui, the master will say at once, maybe say 50 times. So this 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to do 50 times as quick as you can. Pa, 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 pa. To train your wrist. Okay? So this Dian Gui, later on, this to make your wrist become stronger and coordinate. Later on, if you use a soft defense, see? That's like this. You can separate the moves. Like a pa, pa, point. Like chop as well. Okay? So, with the next move, we're going to come back together. We point our staff once. Like this. Once. Once, and we turn, smash down with our staff. Alright, let's do it together. Over your legs, like a higher horse stance. No need to crouch too low, alright? So we point our staff once to your right hand side. Ah! Okay, when you point your staff, to be able to coordinate with the next move, you slide, like hop to the left. See? Point to the right, hop to the left. Why? So because you coordinate with the next move. I'm trying to do it in slow motion. Point, left leg cross, and then you coordinate the move we have learned before. Just start from here. And smash down. Okay. The same as the last move, we are going to do in slow motion 4 times. In this direction first. Alright. The second time, slow motion. Pa. you can combine together with this move, which is like this. From here, grab, point, smash down. Lucky last. Pa. Pa. Okay, with this move, it's commonly practiced in traditional Kung Fu, Shaolin Kung-Fu, and Wushu. You can point your staff once or 3 times. See? That's totally depends on you. Alright, I'm gonna face to that. I'm gonna face to that direction. Okay. So you can see from different angles. Start from here. Pa. 1. Let's come together. 2. 3. Slow motion. 4. Okay, we can have a rest first, and then we add the power. Okay, let's add the power. So when we add the power, we do twice. Okay, ready? The direction first. Up. You can come in together. Okay, and this direction from here. Go. All right, let's have a rest first. Relax the wrist. Next, we're going to combine those 2 moves together. Once in slow motion, once with full power. Let's start. Okay, slow motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn. Smash down. Point with your stop. Pa. Turn. And smash down. You can add a step with your stop. In. Okay. Now let's try with power. Okay everyone, I hope you enjoyed these training tutorials. Please remember, practice makes better and perfect. Happy training, happy life. We'll see you next time.